without somebody telling me.
Okay, man. Don't have to rub again.
I'm scared I'm gonna hook myself. I'm lucky. Can't hook up here, baby.
Got another one.
Got one? Ooh.
Feisty one.
Did you already catch that one?
Yeah, I think so. He already got a hole in his mouth. Alright, so that's a nice size one.
Alright.
On the bread. Alright, so we're at this little creek right now. And it goes to another big pond where out here there's like some good fishing. And we're gonna get a little raft and float down it and go to the big pond.
We'll be recording that video soon.
Yeah, soon.
Can't wait, it's gonna be so fun. And
took your bait, didn't it?
Nope. Berries. That's one thing about the berries. They don't stay well. Oh, the heck?
There's some in there, pipe. Got another one.
Oh, it'd be funny if we doubled up. Oh. And I'm not about to get any more bites.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was about to tell you. Oh, that's tough. Ah, it's not potent. Alright, so that's another nice size one.
Oh, I ripped it out of his mouth.
She'll let it eat it for a little bit longer.
Oh, we're not even using it for bait. What are we doing?
No, we're not going there because we're not going to be able to get there. But the big one's out today. I think we just pressured it too much the other, because we was going like back to back to back to back.
Yeah.
We start. And then.
Watch this. Oh, you missed it.
Got another. Oh, he was so little.
Oh wow.
Alright, gotta give me another piece of bread. Alright, so our videos, they're not gonna have a lot of cuts and stuff in them. Gonna be a lot of raw material. Alright, so we already caught like 2 fish. We just now realized that we didn't know the phone wasn't recording. So he fishing with the natural berries off of a tree. I'm fishing with some bread.
Actually getting bites.
Yeah, he just caught the fish on the berry. I caught one on bread. Bread. All these little berries right here. Yeah.
Fish with these. Natural bait. I don't know if you can call it.
And if they was in, we might use the bread to catch minnows, and they'll tear them minnows up, boy.
Yeah, they actually go like this. Oh, did he take my berry? Oh, I got one. Yeah, they are tearing these berries. Is this the same one you caught, bro?
No, it's not the same one. Mine was longer.
Decent size one. Oh my God, this kid just poked me.
That's tough. Got one.
Show them your pole, your bait caster. Show them what you're rocking with. What is that?
I'm rocking with my Lew's Speed Spool on like a 4-foot 2 rod. Yeah, it's a 4-foot 2 rod. Dang.
What?
Look what happened to this dude.
Wait, let me see. What happened? Dang, you snagged him.
Like I pulled the bottom of his mouth out.
You did. Dang. You didn't snag him.
Well, goodbye, little guy.
He ain't gonna be able to eat.
All his food just gonna come out his mouth.